everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. We had a little mini double top. You can see it pretty good on the 1 hour, just pointing this out, how it lined up back with that 4 hours. So because it was against the rotation zone, did a little reverse projection from the right-hand side, giving us this 1316.76 level. That's the same level here, coming in, lined up really nicely with the 4 hour rotation zone, coming down and rotating up. So it's going to be one of the key levels we're watching tomorrow. That low, 1313 exactly. Below 1313, then I'm really going to be focused on this key low before the gap fill, 1266.56. Then to the gap fill, which would take us down to 1208.34, just in front of the 4 hour rotation zone. So that's the downside based off the 4 hour chart. Just dropping out of overbought condition. That was the only sell signal there was today. So that was, if you were trade from the long side only, that was a take profit alert. And then some people might want to reload as it hits the bottom of the rotation zone. If you're a short, that's a very aggressive short, only to the top of the rotation zone and only to the double target. Remember, when you have a double target, it doesn't mean it's going to zero. It means the probability is that target, which is why we put it on there, especially lined up with the rotation zone. It doesn't mean, I'm going to sell it short up here and it's going to $500. No, it just is the target for that little mini double. That's what you got to keep in mind. Daily chart. Daily chart, you can see here's that gap fill I was talking about. Right in front of that's the rotation zone. So you might get some minor support right around 1235 if it does sell off. That's only for tomorrow. Keep in mind, when I call out levels, they're pretty much for only the next day because they're going to change. The rotation zone is going to keep rising. If we go make a new high, the Gann retracement levels are going to change. Now, the upside targets have not changed. Why? Because we did not make a new high. So upside targets, if we get above yesterday's high, which was 1429.50, 1493.47, major cluster at about 1563, then above there 1697.96. Still an overbought on the daily. What would be interesting, if we did rotate back up and eked out a new high, we'd probably get a divergence set up, but it's not anywhere close to that yet. We'd have to see if we make a new high going into tomorrow or Friday without raising the RSI above the high of the 7th. So we have for you on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.